In this video, I'm going to show you how to chat with your PDF using Grok AI. Okay, so Grok is powered by X, which is from Twitter. So it's free to access at this point. If you want the higher version or the higher intelligence, you can subscribe. But the key thing is it is very, very wonderful and it can do a lot as regards chatting with your PDF. So let's say I'm on my Grok platform and then I can add my PDF document from here, upload a file, and let's say I have this file stored here. Okay, this journal paper, I can just import it. While I'm importing, I can go ahead and type in the question that I want to ask it. Okay, can you summarize the key findings from this paper and give me 3 major takeaways from it? So I can just go ahead and hit on enter while I've just uploaded the paper. So take a look at what it is going to cook for me. Now it is analyzing the flood research trends. Okay, key findings from the paper. These are the key findings: research trends and evolution, flood risk management details, flood resilience, and so on. Okay, and you can see the key findings, future directions, relationships. These are key findings from the paper that it has summarized or picked in from what the paper is all about. And then down here, it gave us the 3 major takeaways that you can find from the paper directly. So these are the key takeaways that you find. So you can ask follow-up questions like something like, can you explain figure 1 in the paper, for example? And then go ahead and hit on enter, and let's see whether this is going to truly identify that there's a figure in the paper and it explains it very, very nicely. So the question asks to explain figure 1 in the paper. This is clarifying the request on its own quickly, something like a deep thinking on its own end. Okay, so it's now browsing the document and it's going to come up with an explanation of figure 1. Okay, and you can see figure 1 in the paper is titled this, and then you can see it is giving us the quantity, the purpose, and context in the paper, and so on. Very, very detailed. You can see it's titled Summary of the Indicators of the 3 Elements of Risks. And this is the overview, breakdown of the figure, what it means, okay, the various sections in the figure, and then down here it gave out even the purpose and context in the paper, why that figure is on that paper. So it's very easy to bring in your PDF and have direct chat with it, make inferences, make conclusions, and make detailed explanation about different concepts or ideas. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.